Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Synthetix, currently trading for $3.3. What's our bear market strategy for Synthetix? How low can Synthetix go in the bear market? And where should we start accumulating some Synthetix? Guys, from 2019, Synthetix went from $0.03 to as high as over $30 in 2021 February. It went up over 755x. Should we start buying some Synthetix right now? Will Synthetix keep pumping in the bear market? In this video, we're taking a look at the Synthetix US dollar price chart, Synthetix performance against Bitcoin over the years, Synthetix performance against Ethereum over the years, and then we'll take a look at Synthetix market cap. Synthetix market cap is currently at $788 million. After setting an all-time high in February 2021, it got to as high as $3.3 billion. Where is Synthetix going to face significant resistance as it's pumping to the upside? And if we're still dumping this bear market, how low can Synthetix market cap go? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, this is the channel for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, we're having a very green day in the crypto market, but Synthetix is still down 73.4% in the last 1 year. In the last 1 month, it's down 14.3%, but in the last 1 week, it's up 11%. And the last 24 hours at the point of recording this video, Synthetix is up 9.9%. Should we start buying some Synthetix right now? We are deep in the crypto bear market. Crypto has been dumping since 2021. For Synthetix, it has been dropping since when it got to its all-time high of $30 on the 9th of February 2021. We've seen Synthetix drop more than 94%. Is that okay for Synthetix to drop through the bear market? Do we need it to go lower before we should start accumulating? Guys, we know that during the bear market, all coins from their all-time high can dump 90 to 99%. We've seen a lot of all coins dump 99% and come back in the next bull run and recover all those gains. And guys, as Synthetix was dropping, it got to this critical support level and we had a bounce off that level. Because guys, if you want to be among the people that will be selling the top for Synthetix in the next bull run, you have to be willing to buy some Synthetix at the depths of the bear market. Now, this Synthetix US dollar price chart from March 2018 till August 2022. When Synthetix was launched in March 2018, what happened? It dumped really hard. We saw Synthetix lost 94.94% of its value in 384 days. Now, this is very important. Keep in mind that we've seen Synthetix drop 94%, but what happened after it dropped 94%? It went back, recovered all those gains, kept setting new all-time highs in 2019, 2020, and even in 2021, finally topping when it got to around $30. From the bottom, Synthetix went up more than 856x. If you invested $1,000 in Synthetix right here, guys, at the bottom of the market, you got to cash out more than $800,000 at the top. Crypto is very, very profitable. When the market is pumping, all coins can pump to the upside. But the flip side of that is that, guys, when the market is dumping, all coins can actually dump to the downside. After Synthetix went up more than 800x, right now it's down 95%. Should we be expecting lower prices for Synthetix? Guys, if Synthetix doesn't hold this $1.53 level, if we break below it, the next support level for Synthetix that you want to watch closely and where I'll be accumulating some Synthetix through the bear market is below this $1.47, around this 0.61 to 1.4 level. This is point of interest for me. This is where I'll be accumulating some Synthetix. You might be asking why. Guys, you can see that when Synthetix was launched, we got rejected at this $0.67 level. That's where Synthetix lost 94% of its value. And when we go back to that level, what did we do, guys? We had to consolidate and we pumped to 1.5, got rejected off that level, came back, tested the 0.6 level during the COVID sell-off, and this was the last opportunity you had to buy Synthetix before it went to the moon. Now, if you bought some Synthetix during that COVID sell-off, guess what, guys? You got to ride Synthetix up over 7,600% in 336 days. That means $1,000 invested right here and the COVID sell-off would have given you more than $76,000 at the top. So Synthetix was basically pumping from 2019 till 2022. It had 2 years of up only. During the bear market, When all the altcoins were dumping in 2019, 2020, Synthetix was just pumping to the moon, because before we had the COVID sell-off for Synthetix was up already 37x. Crazy. But guys, the thing is that anytime you see all these kind of huge pumps in crypto or any asset, you expect some huge dumps, and you saw that Synthetix used more than 800 days to finally rise to the top from $0.03 to as high as $30. It took around 800 days for it to get there. Right now, I've seen Synthetix dropping. It has been dropping in the last 494 days, and it's still dropping. Is the bear market over for Synthetix? We know that Bitcoin has gotten to 17,000. It looks as if Bitcoin has bottomed out. But guys, you want to be careful with all these altcoins during the bear market. Even after Bitcoin bottoms out, we might see all of these altcoins dumping. But it seems Synthetix is a different beast on its own, because you can see in the previous bear market, altcoins were dumping. What was Synthetix doing? It was pumping to the moon. Now, how is Synthetix performing against Bitcoin and against Ethereum? Guys, against Bitcoin, Synthetix pumps when the market is pumping, and it dumps really hard when the market is dumping. From the 10th of May 2019, guys, we saw Synthetix outperform Bitcoin by more than 6,000% in 467 days. $1,000 invested in Synthetix right here on the 19th of May 2019 would have returned more than 61 Bitcoin in August 2020. If you notice, on the Synthetix Bitcoin price chart, Synthetix actually topped against Bitcoin on the 28th of August 2020. Since then, it was not able to set new all-time highs. It has been dumping well against Bitcoin. Synthetix has lost more than 88% of its value against Bitcoin in like 650 days. Now is the bottom in for Synthetix against Bitcoin, because Synthetix came back to this crucial support level against Bitcoin. You can see that Synthetix price against Bitcoin has interacted with this level once in 2018, another time here in 2020. We found good support there before we bounce into new all-time highs. Right now in the bear market of 2022, we found support on that level. So I'm going to come back to test that level at some point in time in the future, or I'm going to be pumping to the moon. Guys, I expect us to come back to this level, and that's why I'll be flipping some Bitcoin for some Synthetix in the bear market. Now, before we see how Synthetix is performing against the number one altcoin in the market, look at some details about Synthetix. Currently, Synthetix is trading for $3.39. In the last 1 year, it has gone as high as $15.83 and as low as $1.45. Synthetix has a market cap of $794 million. We have 234 million Synthetix in circulation out of a maximum 291 million tokens. Currently, Synthetix is ranked 57 on CoinMarketCap. We have 196,000 people that have Synthetix on their watch list. Now, why do you want to hold Synthetix through the bear market, and where can you get some Synthetix? Synthetix is a decentralized finance protocol that provides on-chain exposure to a wide variety of crypto and non-crypto assets. The protocol is based on the Ethereum blockchain and offers users access to highly liquid Synthetix assets, Synths track and provide returns on the underlying asset without requiring one to directly hold the asset. Now, where can you get this altcoin if you want to buy some to hold through the bear market? You can get some on Binance, on Coinbase, on FTX, on Q1, Hugo Global, Gemini, and guys, anywhere you get your favorite altcoins. Now, if you take a look at Synthetix performance against Ethereum, Synthetix has been pumping hard against Ethereum since when it bottomed in January 2019. Guys, we saw Synthetix outperform Ethereum by over 7,000% in 605 days. Now, Synthetix finally topped against Ethereum in August 2020, and since then, we've seen Synthetix lose 93% of its value in the bear market. Is the bottom in for Synthetix? Should we start flipping our Ethereum for some Synthetix? Guys, just like the Synthetix Bitcoin price chart, you can see that Synthetix fell back to this crucial support level. We have interacted with this level quite a number of times. In March 2018, in June, July 2019, even in the dump we have right now in May 2022, Synthetix came back to test that level. This is a very critical level, and I've tested it in December 2021. So I'll be expecting Synthetix at some point in time in the future, or maybe just maybe to come back to test this level. And guys, there's a very high chance if we come back to test this level, we might break below it. You might continue seeing Synthetix losing value against Ethereum. The merge is coming. We're seeing Ethereum pump, but should we start buying all these altcoins right now? Guys, the bear market is when you want to be accumulating all these altcoins. If you want to sell the top at the next bull run, you have to be willing to buy the bottom in the bear market. Now, Synthetix market cap has been having a wonderful rise since 2019, when the market cap of Synthetix was at $2 million. We saw Synthetix market cap rise to as high as $3.3 billion in 2021. It took Synthetix just 2 years to do that. The market cap went up over 134,000%. Crazy. But after that kind of huge jump, We're seeing Synthetix jump really low. The market cap has lost more than 94% of its value since it topped in 2021. It went from as high as $3.3 billion and finally bottomed around the $170 million mark. But since then, we've seen Synthetix market cap bounce. It has gone from 170 million to as high as $784 million, a 367% increase in the last 75 days. How low can it go in the bear market? Guys, I won't be shocked to see Synthetix market cap probably come back to this $53 billion level. Yes, it sounds outrageous right now, but that will not be out of the realms of possibility. From where we are right now, it means Synthetix market cap will lose another 92% of its value. Is that possible? It's very, very possible. Guys, you can look at the level I just drawn. This red line has confluence that in May 2018, Synthetix market cap and got rejected off that level before we went to new highs in 2019. We had to consolidate around that level, and after we even blasted through that level, we came back for a back test. So the COVID sell-off. So at some point in time, I'll expect Synthetix market cap to get back to this $53 million to $80 million region. But only time will tell how low it will go in the bear market. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, at what price will you be buying some Synthetix for yourself through the bear market? If you have some Synthetix right now, will you be holding it through the bear market, or will you be selling expecting lower prices? I want to hear your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.
7, 1, 2